Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and shout out to my Adidas family for sending me the Bruce Lee Adidas Jabbars. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we're going to be talking about a special sneaker. These are the Adidas Jabbars, and these are inspired off of Jabbar and Bruce Lee's relationship. So we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this really cool, classy looking, bright colored sneaker. Then we will conclude with how much these are going for on the retail market currently. So let's jump right into it. For those of you who are fans of Bruce Lee like myself, this is definitely going to be an iconic sneaker that you'll need to grab to have in your sneaker collection. As far as Kareem Abdul-Jabbar's relationship goes with Bruce Lee, it started back in 1970s. There's a very iconic film that the two were in together called Game of Death. There's this incredible fight scene. If you haven't seen it, it's definitely playing everywhere online, specifically YouTube, so look it up. But Bruce Lee is the good guy, of course, and we've got Abdul-Jabbar, who's the bad guy. And there is a really fun fight sequence between the two because Bruce Lee looks so small in comparison to Jabbar. And it's just a really fun, quirky sequence to watch. He's wearing this really cool jumpsuit that is in pretty much the same exact color combination of the sneaker, which was what this was inspired off of. And another kind of cool little fact is that same jumpsuit that he wore actually inspired Uma Thurman's outfit in Kill Bill, which is kind of the same looking bright yellow and black color scheme for the jumpsuit. So as far as the sneaker goes, we've got some nice plush suede textures throughout, and it's in this bright pop of yellow, which matches Bruce Lee's one piece that he was wearing in that scene. We've got some nice, just simple black laces underneath. We've got some nice gold color schemes for the Adidas logo with Abdul-Jabbar here and his logo. Then we've got a nice simple smooth black leather for the tongue. And then before we move to the side panels, I do want to talk about this box because the box is just so cool and iconic. And again, talking about that fight scene in the film. So this looks like they are actually probably taking a break on set, but this is just a really cool black and white photograph, nice little image kind of instilled in time from 1978, which actually just so happens to be just around the time frame that Jabbar actually signed with Adidas. So as far as the text goes, we've got it in that really just lovely gold colorway. Actually, before I take this off, I do want to show you the side here. So this is a nice vintage logo with Kareem Abdul-Jabbar on it, and it's just kind of like a time warp going back in time into the 70s with that marketing branding that they have. Let me just see if I can open this box up. I'm like struggling here. Okay, there we go. All right, so inside is this really cool tissue paper. So we've got Jabbar and Bruce Lee on here. You can kind of see the size difference between the two is insane. And look at the wingspan. Bruce Lee is a little bit smaller, just a little bit. But really just job well done with the entire packaging on the sneaker. I love the box. It's just really gives that historical component to it and matches the sneaker so well. So let's just take a look at those details and then we'll jump into the side paneling. Jumping into the side paneling, we've got some nice simple black stripes on the side and then underlays of that plush soft suede in the yellow colorway. Then we've got Bruce Lee's logo on the back of the heel here on top of that black leather, which pops in that nice gold color scheme. Then we've got Bruce Lee's signature on the back of the heel here, which is quite nice, and the same color combination on the lateral side. The sneaker is then complete with this aged kind of eggshell tone for the midsole and outsole. And then before we move on, I do actually just kind of want to take I don't know if I want to take it off, but let me see if I can show you. So this is actually one of the scenes, or a capture of one of the scenes in the film where they're fighting. So they're both different. So one has Bruce Lee on it and one has Jabbar, and they actually connect. It's really well done. So it looks like side by side, one punching fist is going into the other insole. So really just kind of cool little key pieces and trinkets from that film, really paying homage to how cool their relationship was back in the 70s. So let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so as far as sizing goes, I typically go with my European sizing for Adidas. I went with a size 6.5 in men's, which is a size 40, and these were a little bit on the snug side, so I would probably have gone up a little bit in these. Again, this is a bit more of a narrow silhouette, but because of the plush kind of suede on the toe box, you do get a little bit more flexibility up there, which is nice, but I would probably go half a size up for myself. I do have high arch, narrow feet, so do take that into consideration when deciding on what size range will work best for you. All right, so now let's talk about styling. Again, this was inspired off of Bruce Lee's one-piece set in that nice kind of pop of yellow and black. I decided to just kind of keep it pretty casual with my three looks. So for the first look, I just wore a simple white button down, tucked that into some nice black denim straight leg pants, and I wore a nice simple black belt. I definitely feel like yellow is a really fun statement colorway to wear with kind of neutral toned down options. So for the second look, I decided to go with a kimono type of black blazer, and then I wore that with some simple just corduroy cream pants to kind of match the cream tones and finish on the midsole.
I'm sorry, it ain't perfect, but it's perfect for me. Put together like it's origami. Press and fold it till I turn it something. I ain't seen a better, but the better's coming soon. I've been in a dark, so I've been grateful for the moon. perfect for me. I'm barely treading water. My lungs are filled with doubt. I'm searching for an answer, and I can't see it now.
And then for the last and final look, decided to wear some black Adidas track pantsuits to give it more of an athletic look. And then I wore just a nice button down cardigan in black.
As bright as gravity, it's always holding me down. Man, I'm over it. Sometimes I don't wanna give you fair, but that's the point of it. I got all these lemons in my cup, I put some ice in it. And mix the bitters with a sweeter smile. Worry, sorry, it ain't perfect, but it's perfect for me. Put together like it's origami.
I just want them bad
Party.
As retail goes, these retailed for $110, and you can find these on the Adidas website or any of the Adidas retailers. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and styling segment. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and reviews. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. Shout out to my Adidas family once again for sending these my way. We will catch you all on the next episode.
Party, roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to the